Yo guys, this is Quantavo. Let's be brutally honest, your website is a ghost town, no traffic, no sales. You've heard all the usual advice, post consistently, use hashtags. But it's not 2019, that stuff is basic. But what if I told you the traffic is out there, and you're just too basic to attract it? To stand out, you need to get savage. You need tactics that actually work in 2025. Here are 10 savage traffic tactics in 2025. The ones no one's showing you. These strategies are driving thousands of real visitors to top sites. And guess what? They can work for you too. Most content creators approach content marketing all wrong. They pump out blog posts, videos, and social media updates hoping to get noticed. That's called posting. It doesn't work. Instead, create content that pulls people in. Content that ranks high in search engines and answers your ideal customers' burning questions. Start by identifying buyer keywords. Tools like Answer the Public are great for this. Use a tool like Surfer SEO to analyze the top-ranking pages for those keywords. See what they're doing right, then create something even better. The longer and more in-depth your content, the more valuable it will be to your audience. Use AI to your advantage. ChatGPT can help you generate content ideas, write outlines, and even draft entire articles. TikTok is the hottest platform on the planet right now, and it's not just for kids. Businesses are using it to drive massive traffic to their websites, and you can too. Create UGC-style videos. Content that feels native to the platform and doesn't scream, "I'm an ad." Find micro-influencers in your niche. Give them a simple script and let them do their thing. The goal is to create videos that feel authentic and relatable, not overly promotional. Include a call to action. Direct viewers to the link in your bio where they can learn more about your product or service. Reddit is a goldmine for traffic, but only if you know how to use it correctly. Provide value first, and then subtly promote your business. Find active subreddits in your niche. Spend some time getting to know the community. Participate in discussions. Provide valuable insights and answer questions. If you have a blog post or resource that's relevant to the conversation, mention it naturally. Run a giveaway with traffic loops. Everyone loves free stuff. Use that to your advantage by running a giveaway that drives traffic to your website. Tools like KingSumo or SweepWidget make it easy to set up a giveaway with built-in traffic loops. Participants earn points for completing specific actions, such as visiting your website, sharing your giveaway on social media, or referring their friends. The real prize is the attention and traffic you're generating for your business. Hijack Pinterest SEO, seriously. Pinterest is a powerful search engine, and you can use it to drive passive traffic to your website for months, even years to come. Turn your blog posts into visually appealing infographics. People love infographics because they're easy to digest and share. Upload it to Pinterest and include a link back to your blog post in the description. Optimize your Pinterest profile and pins with relevant keywords. Use Quora to steal intent traffic. Quora is a question and answer website that gets millions of visitors every month. Create a complete profile and link it to your website. Search for questions related to your industry. Provide detailed and helpful responses. Include a link to your blog post or resource if relevant. Focus on providing value and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. The more helpful you are, the more traffic you'll generate. A lead magnet is a valuable piece of content that you offer to your website visitors in exchange for their email address. This could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a discount code, anything that your target audience would find valuable. Lead magnets are a great way to grow your email list and build relationships with potential customers. Promote your lead magnet prominently on your website. Use pop-up forms, inline forms, or even dedicate an entire page to your offer. Highlight the benefits of downloading your lead magnet and make it clear what value your audience will receive. Use exit intent pop-ups smartly. Exit intent pop-ups are a powerful way to capture leads and reduce cart abandonment. These pop-ups are triggered when a visitor is about to leave your website, giving you one last chance to grab their attention. Offer them something valuable that they'll be interested in, like a discount code, free shipping, or a lead magnet. Tools like Sleeknote and Opt-in Monster make it easy to create beautiful and effective exit intent pop-ups. Repurpose content like a boss. Don't let your content gather dust. Repurposing content is the key to maximizing your reach and getting more mileage out of your hard work. Turn your blog posts into Twitter threads, Instagram carousels, LinkedIn articles, and even short-form videos. Each piece of content can be transformed into multiple formats, reaching new audiences on different platforms. Tools like InVideo make it easy to create engaging videos from your blog content. Add value on Twitter, not vibes. Twitter can be a powerful traffic driver, but only if you use it strategically. Avoid using Twitter as a platform to just share random thoughts and opinions. Instead, focus on adding value to your followers. Share your expertise, offer helpful tips, and engage in meaningful conversations. Become a go-to resource in your niche. When people find your tweets valuable, they'll be more likely to click on the link in your bio and visit your website. Outro, no more excuses. Now you got the tools, no more excuses. We just went through 10 insanely actionable strategies. These 10 strategies can pull thousands of real visitors if you actually implement. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Pick one and take action. That's how you win. Drop a comment. Which one are you trying first? Let me know below. And before you go, hit subscribe, or keep watching tutorials that make you feel productive but leave you broke. The choice is yours.